3,
few
2,
moments later.
1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? What's up mga bad boys? Magwan para sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan at pinutin notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more upcoming season video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For the rest of my vlog, BMW GS 750 model 2024 aspect. Engine displacement inline 2-cylinder 4-stroke, 8 valves, liquid cooled, double overhead cam. Engine displacement na 853 cubic centimeter. Bow stroke 84 millimeter by 77 millimeter. Compression ratios 12 by 7 by 5. 12 by 7 by 1. Fuel delivery, electronic fuel injection, starter, electric. Maximum of torque at 61 kilo-feet at 6,000 rpm. Clutch multi-disc wet clutch. Anti-hopping, mechanically operated. Transmission contact mesh and 6-speed gearbox and integrated in crankcase. Drive chain drive. Chassis front suspension telescopic 41 millimeter. Rear suspension cast aluminum dual swing arm. Central spring stud spring preload. Hydraulic adjustable rebound. Damping adjustable. At brakes, front brakes, dual disc brake and floating disc brake. 305 millimeter dual piston floating caliper. Brake rear single disc brake and 265 millimeter single piston floating calipers. Front tires 110/80 R90. Rear tire 150/70 R17. Fuel tank capacity 4.0 gallon, 150. Color sport light white triple black. All alternator permanent magnet generator. 116 kilowatt nominal power. Battery 12 volts 10 amps 12 volts by amps. Headlight tail light LED tail light. Overall length itong GS na to bagong labas inline 2 siya, inline 2. Tapos yung displacement niya 853 cm. 853 cm. At kung lagi kayong nagagawin sa akin channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment and like and share and subscribe. And click the notification bell for more updates from uploads on my videos. Itong fuel delivery niya, electronic fuel injection. Ano siya? Ride by wire. At itong clutch naman niya, multi-disc wet clutch, anti-hopping mechanically operated. Tapos yung transmission naman niya, Conta Selmes 6-speed gearbox integrated in crankcase. Kung lagi ka nang gagawin sa akin channel, lahat ng information lalagay ko sa description box below. Makikita nyo sa description lahat ng mga kailangan. Lagi ko na gagawin sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button para lagi kang aking bagong upload na videos ko para ma-updated ka. At huwag nga kayang mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment dito sa baba nito. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more updates para more uploads my videos. Brakes, dual brakes, this floating disc caliper with 12.2 to 305 mm dual piston floating calipers. Harap likod na siya. At yung tire naman niya, tire size 110/80 by R90 naman niya. Itong rear tire 150/70 R17. Fuel tank capacity at 4.0 gallon. Ang battery naman niya 12 volts by 10 amps. Headlight overall length naman niya 88.8 by 2,255 mm. Overall width 36.3 by 922 mm. Yung weight naman niya 48.2 by 1,225 mm. Tapos yung wheelbase 61.4 1,559 mm. Castro 41 by 104 by 5 mm. Lagi kong nagagawin ito bago ka lang sa aking channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more updates for more uploads these my videos. Like, share, and subscribe. At magano naman tayo shoutout nga kay General Kamote. General Kamote at Corning General Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Miss Teki Motovlog, shoutout kay Sarah Motovlog, shoutout kay Kaki Motovlog, shoutout kay Palug Puso Motovlog, shoutout kay Leon Motovlog, shoutout kay JTech Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Cherry White Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Asian Pacboy Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Leon Motovlog, shoutout kay Boss M Motovlog, shoutout kay JTB Katagumpay, shoutout nga kay Harmerman Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Boyet Sarbaria, shoutout nga sa inyo lahat. Shoutout nga kay Nachadul Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Read for Speed Motovlog, shoutout. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates for more upload these my videos. See you on the next one. And 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next one. Babush.